Hey, what's up, Cleaners Connect? Courtney, Kevin, we're on our third job today. This is a repeat client. She's used us 3 times. She's left. She said, Courtney, I'm going to my auntie's house like every other time. Just call us when you're done. So show you guys what we're doing. We're doing this huge, humongous, double-sided sofa, which isn't too bad. The first time I cleaned the entire sofa, put a protection on it. The second time I actually did a video, she had some marker in one area of the sofa, and then this time we're back doing the sofa again. But the point of this video is that, guys, listen, she pulled up all the carpets in the entire house, okay? Now this is something you don't really see that often, but this is the lesson that a lot of cleaners have to understand. Oh my God, people are going to start replacing their carpets. They're going to start taking their carpets up and put it down hardwood floors. And so what, okay? Because if customers can afford to do that, guess what, guys? Those are probably going to be your best customers. Why? Boom, rugs, okay? We're going to clean this rug. We're going to clean that rug. $100, $50 a pop. Synthetic poly rugs. Going to clean them, $50 each rug, smaller than your average size room. So my thing is, there's no reason to be afraid if customers replace their carpets, especially, and they replace the carpets in the entire house. But guess what? She said, Courtney, there's also rugs in all the rooms, okay? So the thing is that if they do replace it, if your customer can afford to replace their carpets, okay, guys, what are you scared? There other I mean, this is a $700 job we're doing. We're doing this entire sectional sofa, that rug, put protection on the sofa, $700. Okay, so again, why are we mad because she pulled up the carpets? We still have opportunity to do other services, doing the rugs, doing the upholstery. So it's just a mindset. And again, this is a perfect example of the mindset of the type of clients that we want to continue to work for and build our business around, okay? Because again, if they can afford to pull up all the carpets, there's a lot more things they can afford to do. And like I said, they're paying us $700 a day to clean, to basically not even clean, to maintain the sofa and the rug. So that's what we're doing, guys. Actually, this job is like 5 minutes from my house. So we're using my van on it. So we got the Truman Steam team out here today, tag teaming. And that's how we do it, guys. All right, see you in the next one.